Hello my dear students, welcome to Read Math Infinity. So today we are going to start the chapter comparing quantities. Today we are doing 10 most important questions of the chapter comparing quantities. So let's start. So here we have to calculate the percentages and their conversion. So what is saying, out of 25 children in a class, 15 are girls. What is the percentage of girls? So how to calculate the percentage of girls? So percentage of of girls. So how many girls are there? There are 15 girls and there are 25 children in total. So the number of girls in the numerator and the denominator, the number of total students into 100. This is the girls percentage. So 15 4 is 100 and 25 4 is 100 and 15 4 is 60%. So 16% are girls and total is 100%. So subtracting 60% from 100 is 40%. Therefore girls is 40% and boys is 40% and girls is 60%. Then problem is saying convert the given decimals into percentages. 0.75, 0.09 and 0.2. So 0.75, this is the decimal, omitting the point, divided by 100 into 100%. To convert into percentages, you have to multiply the fraction with 100. So 100 get cancelled, therefore 75%. And then 0.09. So 0.09 divided by 100 into 100, that means 100 cancelled, 9%. And 0.2 divided by 10, point after omitting the point, divided by 10 into 100, then 10 tens are 100, so 20%. Okay, then the problem is saying out of 32 students, 8 are absent. What percentage of students are absent? This do it yourself. Okay, so the percent absent are in the numerator and total student are denominator, and then multiplied by 100. And then next problem is there are 25 radios, 16 out of them are out of order. What percentage are out of order? Therefore total out of order is 16 and total radios are 25 into 100, that means 64% are out of order. Okay, and the next problem is also same. A shop has 500 parts, out of which 5 are defective. What percentage are defective? So in the numerator 5 are defective and in the denominator total 500 into 100%, that means 5 5 5 5 1, 5 5s are 1, that means 1% are defective. So next problem, number 2, Mala has a collection of bangles. She has 20 gold bangles and 10 silver bangles. What is the percentage of bangles of each type? Put in the tabular form. So he has bangles. There are two types of bangles. One is silver bangle and one is gold bangle. So gold bangle and silver bangles. Gold bangles and silver bangles. Okay. And here it is total. This is total. So how many gold bangles? 20 gold bangles and silver bangles is 10. That means total is 30 again. So percentage. So out of these 30 bangles, she has 20 gold bangles. That means 20 gold bangles and denominator 30 total into 100%. That means 0, 300 cancelling 33.33 multiplying by 2, that means 66.66%, or this is approximately 66.67%. Okay, and silver bangles is 10 in number, so 10 divided by 30 into 100, this means 33.33% equal to 33.33%. So this is the tabular form. This is the tabular form of the percentages. Tabular form. So you have learned that how to calculate the percentages. The next problem, this is the similar problem but in different form. Here it is saying Rina's mother said to make idlis you must take 2 parts rice and 1 parts urad dal. What percentage of such a mixture would be rice and what percentage would be urad dal? So Rina's mother is saying to make idlis you have to take 2 part rice and 1 part urad dal. So 2 part rice plus 1 part so 2 part rice and plus 1 part urad dal. Okay, so how many part are there? Total part, that means 3 part. Total 3 part of mixture. Okay, 3 part of mixture, 3 part mixture, and out of them 2 part is rice. So 2 by 3, this is the fraction. This is the fraction of rice. Okay, into 100, this percentage. So this is 33.33, that means 66.67%, and that is urad dal 1 by 3 fraction into 100, that means 33.33%. Okay, now I think you learned how to make percentage out of fractions, and we have used the part of the fractions, then total part and the our required part to make to find out the fractions. Next, this is profit and loss. This problem is saying a shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for rupees 10 each. Okay, however 5 bulbs were fused and had to be thrown away. The remaining were sold 12 rupees each. Find the gain or loss percentage. So first we have to calculate in this process whether he has gain or profit or loss. So he has 200 bulbs, 200 bulbs, and each of them is 10 rupees. So total cost price CP is 2000 rupees, 2000 rupees. And then it is saying 5 bulbs were fused, that means 200 minus 5 bulb, that means 195 bulbs were okay, and the remaining bulbs were sold 12 rupees each. So 195 bulbs are sold each 12 rupees. This is multiplying 0, Okay, 2340 rupees. So this is his SP, selling price. He bought the bulbs in 2000 rupees and sell them at 2340 rupees. So he profits from this business. Okay, okay, he profits from this business. So how much profit in rupees? 2340 minus 2000. So how much profit? 340 rupees. So now we have to find out the profit percentage. Okay, so profit percentage. So how to find out the profit percentage? In the numerator, the profit part rupees, this is 340 rupees is his profit amount, divided by his cost price. Always we have to find out the profit and loss from on the cost price, not the selling price. We have to find out this cost price. So the cost price is 2000 rupees. So divided by 2000 into, as we are transforming this into percentage, into 100, this is the percentage. So these two zeros are cancelled and one zero is cancelled. 2 17s are 34. So 17% is his profit percentage. So find the gain or loss percentage. His gain percentage is gain 17%. This is the answer. Okay, next problem. Wahida bought an air cooler for rupees 3300 including a tax of 10%. Find the price of the cooler before VAT was added. VAT means value added tax. So this is a tax problem. So it is saying Wahida bought an air cooler for rupees 3300. So Wahida bought this air cooler in 3300. So buying price of Wahida is 3300 rupees. This rupees, including this rupees, this 3300 rupees is already included with the 10% tax. So this 3300 rupees is included tax. So we have to find out the rupees when the VAT, this 10% tax was not included. So we have to make an equation, that is, let the price of the air cooler, the price of the air cooler was X rupees. Okay, and then we have to calculate this 10% tax on this X rupees, because the tax was calculated, usually the tax is calculated on the cost price or marked price, or that is the price which is fixed from the shopkeeper. So x was the price, and above it the 10% of x, 10 by 100 into x, was added as a tax to this rupees x, and that equals to 3300. This is the equation. We have to solve this equation, linear equation. So x plus 10 and 100 cancelled out. So x by 10 equal to 3300. So that means 10x plus x by 10 equal to 3300. That implies 11x by 10 equal to 3300. That means x equal to 3300 into 10 divided by 11. So 11 3s are 33. This means 300 into 10, that means 3000 rupees. Okay, so the price before the tax or VAT was added is 3000 rupees. This is the answer. Okay, so today this is the first part of the most important 10 questions of the comparing quantities chapter. So hope you liked it, and if you learned something from this video, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I brought this type of mathematics video in this channel. If you subscribe and hit the bell icon, you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you very much, and bye bye.